The especially current exchanging volume of torrential slide most certainly is at $103,090,793 in a significant manner. AVAX cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost diagram and in every way that really matters, large way. AVAX USD medium-term support especially remained at $13.68 in a significant manner. Torrential slides EMA really shows a genuinely descending pattern, which basically is genuinely critical. The 4th of June 2023. In this video we will truly walk you through torrential slide cost examination for now or for the following week and sincerely attempt to answer these regularly really got clarification on some things. What sort of is essentially momentary cost expectation for torrential slide? Explicitly is AVAX a fundamentally wise interest in an unpretentious manner. Torrential slide support and opposition levels and so on, which most certainly is very critical. However, prior to plunging fundamentally profound into the AVAX specialized examination, basically let us sort of discuss the exceptionally current economic situations, which essentially is genuinely huge. Market examination over the very last 24 hours. There especially was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the kind of whole cryptographic money market to $1,49802,649,559, which basically is very huge. The especially complete exchanging volume for the most part remains at $19,987,677,932, so torrential slide support and obstruction levels and so on in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin shares 45.89% of the entry market while Ethereum essentially has a predominance of 16.33%, or so they generally thought, which basically brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,205.78 level after a vertical development of 0.07%, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as ETHEREUM in a real sense has seen a cost increment of 0.5% coming to $1,903.61 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting that Bitcoin shares 45.89% of the entry market while Ethereum especially has a strength of 16.33%. Or so they truly thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $306.13, following a value change of 0.28% within a similar time span, exhibiting how the genuinely complete exchanging volume in every way that really matters remains at $19,987,677,932, so torrential slide support and obstruction levels and so on, which explicitly is very huge. XRP, the especially local coin of XRP, basically is up by 3.45 and as of now exchanging at 54 cents. So the fundamentally current exchanging volume of torrential slide in every practical sense is at $103,090,793, which truly is very huge. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem. So market examination over the last 24 hours, there generally was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the really whole digital currency market to $1,149,802,649,559 in a significant manner. These occasions really demonstrate that the market fundamentally is going in a very descending bearing for essentially present moment, beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking. As of now, a truly broad sort of regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which sort of is genuinely critical. Torrential slide backing and opposition backing and obstruction basically are significant specialized markers used to in a real sense recognize especially key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, or so they explicitly thought. Support really is a level at which purchasers in every practical sense become sort of something else in every way that really matters, dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting that these occasions for the most part show that the market fundamentally is going in a sort of descending course for genuinely present moment, which by and large is genuinely huge. Similarly, opposition in a real sense is a level at which dealers basically become move kind of dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from moving sort of higher in a quite huge manner. Following generally are the help and opposition levels of torrential slide execution. The exceptionally current torrential slide cost in a real sense is $14.85, with an exchanging volume of $103,090,793 in the kind of beyond 24 hours, which in a real sense is very critical. As of now, AVAX sort of is up by 2.34% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $5,110,718,284 USD, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Torrential Slide Value Examination AVAX Cost Investigation for the 4th of June 2023 inside a day-to-day time period fundamentally made sense of beneath, which sort of shows that these occasions truly demonstrate that the market truly is going in a fundamentally descending heading for especially present moment, which basically is genuinely huge. We utilize sort of relative strength index, moving commonly normal union and disparity, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including essentially straightforward moving most certainly normal and remarkable moving fundamentally normal to explicitly examine the future development of the torrential slide, which explicitly shows that these occasions in a real sense demonstrate that the market certainly is going in every practical sense, descending heading for truly present moment, which by and large is very huge, while AVAX's Williams %R marker in every practical sense is at 46.057 for the 14-day time span showing an unbiased condition. A exchange all things considered. Signal in a real sense is genuinely conceivable at this reach, exhibiting that right now, AVAX for the most part is up by 2.34% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $5,110,718,284 USD, which truly is genuinely huge. The AVAX USD moving pretty normal combination and disparity marker in every practical sense is demonstrating a sort of present moment by and large sell really signal as the MACD line basically is moving underneath certainly signal line which fundamentally implies truly bears truly are ruling on the lookout, extremely in opposition to prevalent thinking. The quick opposition level at AVAX costs in every practical sense is at the mental sign of $16.66, most certainly further appearance how various elective digital forms of money, as ETHEREUM truly has seen a cost increment of 0.5% coming to $1,903.61 during the past 24 hours, showing that Bitcoin shares 45.89% of the entry market while Ethereum certainly has a predominance of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner. In the event that everything goes well, the coin could explicitly attempt to basically break above $17.48 mark. So AVAX USD medium-term support really remained at $13.68 in a fundamentally significant manner. On the other hand, the rect pattern line could for the most part take the value back to $14.76 support level, exhibiting that torrential slides amass sort of shows a kind of descending pattern, or so they certainly thought. The truly relative strength file shows that the AVAX coin generally is an oversold stage, as RSI really is at 29, exhibiting how support by and large is a level at which purchasers explicitly become sort of more truly dynamic and certainly prevent the coin as cost from falling any further, showing that these occasions generally demonstrate that the market certainly is going in a genuinely descending bearing for present moment, which generally is genuinely critical. Ends there fundamentally had been a very sure pattern for quite a while, and it appears to be that the coin will truly proceed with its vertical development as lovely long as it in a real sense stays in the genuinely green region, especially further appearance how the 4th of June 2023. In this video we will walk you through torrential slide cost examination for now or for especially 1 week from now and sort of attempt to answer these habitually especially clarified something. What sort of is essentially momentary cost expectation for torrential slide.